y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nika B, and I'm back with another video.
Honorable singles.
Okay, y'all, so this is like a spare of the moment vlog. So it's Cinco de Mayo weekend. It is Thursday, but you know, in Houston we party all week, and I haven't been partying lately. You know, I've been on like a little break. But tonight, me and my girls, we're going out. We're going to R&B night at our homeboys club. It's called Night Shift. I'm gonna drop the Instagram down below. If you are in Houston, make sure you check them out. They are a BYOB. It's off Emancipation Avenue. If you know, you know, Third Ward. So pull up. So yeah, tonight we are going there, and I'm finishing up getting ready. So I just finished my makeup and putting on some jewelry. I am about to put on some perfume. Y'all know my favorite, Marc Jacobs. Everywhere. Okay. And my shoes are in the front. So I have my edges tied up. I be using like I can't remember what it's called. It's like Edge Wax. That's up in the yellow and a black thingy. And y'all know, if y'all use that, then y'all know that y'all gotta you gotta tie your hair down with that shit, cause that's the only way it's gonna stay down. I'm gonna show y'all my outfit in a minute once I put on my shoes. And I got to change my purse. So first, let me get my shit together. Get myself together. Alright. Let me set y'all up real quick. Y'all cricket because I got y'all on this blanket. But yeah, let me go get my shoes. Bam. So these are the shoes I'm wearing, some boots. I have on like this, I'm gonna let y'all see. But I had on like this little bodysuit, this one piece. It's like a one piece, not a, I don't know what y'all consider a bodysuit. Sometimes a bodysuit is like a full body, you know, from not from head to toe, from upper body to lower body. And then jumpsuit. We're gonna call this a jumpsuit. It's like the little unitard. Why I'm breathing so hard. Okay. Put on my shoes, cause I don't like putting on my shoes in the car, y'all. I like already having my shoes on. But I am gonna bring some to put on when we leave. Ooh, this uni is getting in my booty. Oh my god. Okay. Y'all wear these boots with everything. But y'all probably remember this bodysuit, this jumpsuit, this unitard. Let me turn y'all around. Y'all probably remember this from when I went to the Drake concert. I had wore this. But I have on this uni with this leather skirt. Came with a little chain. And then my boots. And then I have on Michael Kors. My nails not done. I just took them off. But yeah. So what I'm about to do. Oh yeah, this the purse. Wearing this purse matches. This is my mama's purse. She got like a lot of colored purses. So this is what y'all gonna be in tonight when I'm not vlogging. I needed something big. Y'all know I usually wear my Rusty Dusty and Sade Voice Prada, but not tonight. So I'll show y'all what I'll be putting in my bags. I'm not taking everything out because I don't need everything, but and I gotta add some more stuff in here. So I got my wallet. My ID is still in the car. So I got my cards, my insurance card. Y'all, I do not carry wallets no more. That is crazy. Do y'all still carry wallets? I don't know why I stopped. So yeah, I got my wallet. I'll be having my passport on me at all times. With the friends I got, you never know when they might be like, let's go ahead and hop on this flight to Jamaica. I have my my lotion champagne toast. I have both of my lip glosses. I got a gel and an oil. Vaseline. More lotion. I have this. Oh, I have my little travel Prada candy. And then this is Sex on the Beach from the hair store. If you know, you know. Oh, I'm missing something. Okay. And I have my lip liner that I have on. And then my Butter Gloss NYX. And I have my powder puff when I get oily. This is what I use. If you know, you know. Have my glasses because I can't see. And so this is what I'm wearing right now. My Marc Jacobs Perfect. So I'm gonna keep this in here too. And then my phone. I also got my blicky. Not gonna put that on camera though. It's 11 o'clock. So we said we was gonna meet there at 11:30. Let me see how far it is from me. It's 19 minutes, so I am about to leave right now. So I will see y'all when I link up with the girls.
I remember when we started texting. I was playing it cool, you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good, I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up, boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the areas, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga, I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother hoes was about you. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. About it. Tell them about it. Now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even on your friend that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was stupid, you did. But I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one pass and you used it. You used it, amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? Now you look so stupid, and it's so amusing. Your effort is so useless, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Please, ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please, I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. What you see, how I did it on the low. Tell them niggas, tell them bitches, tell them niggas, I'm just living. Tell them how you thought you was the nigga, fucking bitches. Now you wishing you were with me, living like so
Take one more. Take another shot. One more shot. One more shot. We ain't doing this till you take one more shot. We ain't playing no music. We ain't you. Take one more shot.
I have nothing in my cup, actually.
Take a shot.
I'm home. I'm about to eat my leftover canes. And I'm about to go to sleep. Take off this makeup. Go to sleep. So good night, and I'll see y'all Sunday for Cinco de Mayo.
Ladies,
They got me taking shots, y'all.
talking to you right now. Fellas, I'm
The triple shot. No, y'all. They said I'm late.
Fellas, I'm giving you the fucking answer.
I'm vlogging.
What the fuck is that?
Lady,
I'm vlogging.
Oh, you the FBI.
You outside. Hell yeah. Yeah, when I said they made me take that fucking triple shot so fast, like, and I haven't ate a single thing all day. So I'm finna order me some egg rolls. I'm hungry as fuck. As fuck. I left my damn stand in the car because I was scared they was gonna tell me that I couldn't bring it in. But I'm really thinking about going back outside to get it so I can vlog. But yeah, today is Saturday. It's pretty cloudy outside, but it's also getting late, so it's like it's 8 o'clock, 8:01. I'm with my brothers, and I'm waiting on my sister to pull up. But I'm with my brothers. Cinco de Mayo weekend in Houston. Lit. I'll hit y'all back. Well, yeah, I'll hit y'all back when something interesting come about. Cause we outside. Cinco de Mayo weekend. These motherfuckers touching this stuff. I just want to say that. 3 shots on the waffle is crazy. Wait. Don't play with the guy.
These ain't the regular ones either.
Don't play with the guy.
The regular ones.
Don't play with the guy.
What we tell them? We love you, ladies. Who remember Rugrats? Realize. When we tell them like, what we doing like? Ain't no fucking DJ in Houston playing this. Let's go to Chi-Town. Let's talk to your girlfriend. Make it go boom pop. Girl, don't stop. Get freaky in the
You were busy loving yourself. I was stop breathing if you told me to. Now you're busy loving someone else. 11 years. Kids I had wasted money.
I took 3 shots, Jalen didn't.
I did too.
She had a mixed drink.
It was no 3 shots and a little Sprite. That's all I had.
I don't believe it. Shout out Sidebar.
She said, I only was drinking by herself. You gotta be with her. He told me he had so many shots.
She can order me something if she want me to have something, but I'm good. That's up to her. Ask her.
You don't hate? You want anything?
I'm good.
You guys eat.
You don't want nothing. You pussy, bro. I didn't raise you to be like this.
I got this.
What's that?
Oh, there's no devil in it.
Let me get
I'm
that.
sorry, celebrating my mixing.
I'm on the
Can I
left
get
side.
that too? But with Rocco? I didn't even open up the vlog, y'all. So today's Cinco de Mayo. We at Palapas. Yeah. I'm hungry. I haven't ate.
Salmon's gonna come with white rice. We got a cheese sauce, buttercup salmon. Seafood mac and
I already got the total. I know what my people doing. Okay. It's cute on cheese. Yeah. Ooh.
That's why I wore it. I knew it was something cute. Period.
It is cute. Y'all should fuck her now. Y'all get to see the full body. Yeah, you heard me. Yeah, we hungry as fuck. I ordered a seafood mac and the dynamo rolls. And you got what, salmon?
It's your girl Tip. You already know what the fuck going on.
You ordered salmon?
I got salmon and a seafood mac. That sounds good.
I got this seafood mac.
That sounds good. You got the dino roll?
Now,
Tell your partner
I'm putting y'all on my YouTube.
tell her she missed out. She should have got the salmon.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks so good. Ooh.
Oh, look, I'm waiting on you.
Am I greedy?
Yeah, greedy.
Honest review.
So this is the egg roll. What they call it?
The dynamo.
Dynamo egg roll.
Yeah. Thank you, Batman. Thank you, Batman. Yeah. So now we're doing the mac and cheese.
Alright, gotta zoom in on it.
Man, we gonna take it back. Who went to college in this motherfucker? Who graduated college in this motherfucker?
That's some good ass lobster. I like it. Let me get a little crop.
Mr. Ross, number 1, man. I want the PV.
Oh, we got the gun.
Shot and a half of
We got a shot 2 hours later. Where you go?
I don't know, he ran out.
I didn't know what
You got scared.
You got scared.
Somebody say he ran out.
Cheers.
Go ahead, get you.
Cheers.
Okay, Frank.
Blood got Rudy Poo. You know what I mean? Y'all ain't know what that means. You know what I mean? But yeah. I ain't no rapper, I ain't no trapper, none of that. I'm a wing slinging motherfucker though. You know? Peacoat wearing, whatever you want. Look, whatever is whatever. Cause I got my girl Tiffany cut. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? Look. Zico, the freak hoe, yo hoe, whatever you want to do. This shit for real. And what the boy said, this is the larger. We not, hey, girl, I got a red, but I'm not a player. I'm a Mac. It's GD to the world blow, nigga. But I'll